Hi, welcome to IndiraasWorld once again on this very blistery autumnal day, which brings me to what our dish is today, which is back to my roots. Root vegetables, of course, great at this time of the year, with chickpeas and black-eyed pea casserole with harissa paste and maple syrup. Try that combination, very nice. With all my ingredients together, let's just get straight into it. To my very sizzling pan of olive oil, I am adding my chopped onions, my garlic, harissa paste, maple syrup, a little turmeric and a little olive oil, and tomatoes. Now I blanched the tomatoes and chopped them up and put them in, and we're going to cook that through before we throw in all our veg. Now, as I said, they're all root vegetables, so I have used swede, parsnips, butternut squash, sweet potato, and I'm going to add in some chickpeas, some black-eyed peas to this. Of course, you add salt to taste. I don't recommend putting too much, but as you're cooking it, do add a little water because you need a little water to cook the vegetables through. All in all, this has taken me about half an hour to do. It is a very wholesome dish and extremely tasty. Enjoy it with couscous, rice, bread, whatever you choose to eat it with, or just as a stew by itself. This is my bean and root casserole. Back to our roots.
No fancy moves.